Good afternoon, everybody. A little sleepy session. I'll try to make it interesting for you all. And I will be discussing how to use ICT tools for business process re-engineering, for supplying quality power to consumers. Power supply we do, but how do you supply quality power to consumers? Based on this, I will be doing. I have charge of both KESCO also and Madhyanchal. 2-3 days back recently I got this. So I will be doing presentation only with my experience, previous 1 year experience from KESCO. KESCO only caters to Kanpur city. It is a separate discom for Kanpur city. It was once called as the Manchester of UP, but slowly, dire dire, it has lost its importance. But still the discom supplies electricity to the Kanpur city. And it's a smart city presentation, so I should start with the smart city models of development. ये आप लोग कर रहे हैं retrofitting. Either a city can be developed in 4 models, and mostly from what I am seeing the presentation, it's a mix of all the 4. Retrofitting भी कर रहे हैं, redevelopment in some areas. Some areas are freshly developed, जैसे morning sir had said, 40 acres are available here also. And pan city development, where already existing services you improve and get it. So aspects which should be considered in designing a smart city, main your core infrastructure is the most basic thing for developing any smart city. Your roads, you should plan for the power, should plan for water, environment which includes your solid and waste management, and also for the recreational facilities. Sanitation is very important. Ultimately everything is centered, the star of everything are the people. First of all, I will start with my own sector, which I am heading. First of all, you must understand power, because when planning smart cities, people do this mistake. People start with where you see a distribution substation. I don't have a pointer here. Your city limits may start from the distribution substation. Maybe some cities will have a primary substation inside them, they may not have. But your planning will start with the generation. You should start planning your smart city right from generation, then comes a transmission, and finally comes the distribution company. Finally it comes. And from where either you can be an industrial consumer, a domestic consumer, or you can be a commercial consumer. Acha, what are the main things when you plan for a smart city? Kanpur itself has not been selected as a smart city, but we have started our work earlier because core infrastructure jab tak nahi hai, chahe jitna bhi aap log investment karenge, it will all go a waste, because one blackout is sufficient to put mitti into all your efforts. So you have to plan for power. So with that in mind, we have already started the work, so we can have a lead. First of all, these are the things that you have to consider. First of all, the cost of power. How much does the unit of power cost? This is very important. Second, your generation, transmission and distribution lines. What is the setup? Kahan se aapko bijli milega? Because your population, you are making the city more attractive by making it more smart. So more influx of population will be there. So you must understand how aapka power kitna aur chahiye. Generation kahan se milega? Some states may be power deficit. My state is power deficit. Now we are into generation also. Now you must plan for it. कहाँ से बिजली आएगा, कितना rate है उसको लेने के लिए, and whether your discom has the capacity to buy that much power and supply. Because in this part, your tariffs matter and the loss. There are some pockets in every city, even Kalyan in इस area में भी होगा. Some pockets which are extremely loss making, 40-60% भी losses होंगे. There are areas in Kanpur. The famous Katiyabaz movie आपने देखा होगा. That is the challenging situation where we are working. But these areas you have to plan, because these areas धीरे-धीरे करके ही you can bring them up. You have to go for underground cabling. You may have to go for other manpower. You have to deploy extra teams for raids and all those things. You have to plan for these loss-making areas are also part of your smart city. And also future demand. For example, Kanpur suddenly they had, because Lucknow has a metro, Kanpur people are agitating, they are requesting for a metro in Kanpur. And for this you need to have land, metro needs a lot of power supply. Matlab power supply it's separate, it needs a huge power. For that you need to have a primary substation in place. That is what, whenever you plan for your city, kindly take all these aspects into consideration. Planning for power is very important, considering your future needs. What does it mean to live in a city with a smart grid? We are all talking about smart grid. A smart city should have a smart grid. Huge investment is needed in making a city into smart city, smart grid city. For that, you need to have the entire distribution process. First slide I had shown, from the point transmission line से जहाँ हमारा substation में बिजली आता है, वहाँ से लेके आपके घर तक जहाँ पहुँचता है, उसके बीच में आता है आपका सबस्टेशन, फीडर, उसके बाद डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ट्रांसफार्मर, पोल्स आते हैं बीच में, which has nothing to do with your automation. Then comes your house. Up to this, in fact, in the house also you will go for smart meter. तो entire distribution automation you must think about. Second is storage of bijli. जैसे I had already mentioned, when there is a blackout or some areas where आंधी गिर गया, तूफान गिर गया या कुछ, या even central से roasting, because some days your state may not have electricity to supply to your city, कहीं से जो आ रहा है, you can think of storage for electricity. And for this utilities you must plan for land. Main thing अभी जो देख रहे हैं, स्मार्ट सिटीज का प्लानिंग बहुत चलता है इसमें. हम भी अभी IPDS में चाह रहे हैं 21 सबस्टेशन बनाने के लिए कानपुर में, बट लैंड हम लोग को 11 जगह मिला, बिकॉज अ सिटी इज ऑलरेडी ग्रोन. वहाँ सिटी के बीच में जहाँ कंजेस्टेड एरिया से यू डोंट हैव लैंड. दीज थिंग्स यू हैव टू मैनेज. You have to have a control room. You must have a place where you can store electricity and supply. In fact, if you go for storage, it will give more reliable supply to your city. Then grid isolation. This is another important aspect that you have to think of, because bigger grids means larger shutdowns. Suppose one person has a problem in his line, he has to have a work done. तो entire area एक feeder बंद हो जाएगा. Then again what happens, all of you suffer for one house's work. But so if you have to manage it, you have to make it into smaller grids. This at the planning stage you have to do. तो feeder separation करना पड़ेगा, इसमें कर लीजिएगा. Renewable energy you have to use. अब government is promoting, central government is also promoting, state government is promoting to a large extent your solar rooftops, biomass. There are so many companies also who might have come here regarding that. Renewable energy is very important. It has to be there in a smart city planning. And renewable energy में aspect, important aspect is the financial aspect. यहाँ कई bankers भी आए हुए हैं. Many of the banks, Kotak Mahindra, I think, I don't know, even Bank of Baroda, they have created corpus for this, but they have not framed the guidelines and they are not able to give to the solar developers the financials that they need. Because it requires huge investment. 1 kilowatt हम कह रहे हैं without subsidy 1 lakh. मान लीजिएगा 1 lakh you need. That much investment a domestic consumer cannot make. So they have to help, banking institutions have to help in putting in place this. This also should be a part of the smart city policy planning. Then consumer centric citizen tools, of course M-governance में आ गए हैं. Happening यहाँ बहुत IT companies हैं. धीरे धीरे when I start talking, many companies are also working with us. I will tell you about them. DSM and home energy management. This is very important aspect. When the consumer is participating in your energy efficiency programs, he must use smart appliances. He must start using electricity more efficiently. LED energy efficient fans, ACs, 5-star rating, ये सब चीजें, they are all part of demand side management. This is very important. So IT is central to all these things that you do in a smart grid. So energy management में, these are very technical. I will not go into details. If anybody wants to discuss, you can say separately discuss with me. Feeder meter, DT metering we are doing. SCADA, this is important. Substation automation has to be done. Energy storage mechanism, we are all in the process. IPDS आ रहा है, वो we have already finalized with L&T. So we are going to start work. Microgrids, you have to have microgrids planning for outages. उसको manage करने के लिए. Underground cabling, because nobody wants any disturbance. Underground cabling, one important point you have to think is, आप अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग कर रहे हैं उसी सिटी में, ऑलरेडी the telecom company has done underground cabling, your cable operator, so many people have underground cables. कोई एक डिपार्टमेंट दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट से काम नहीं करता है. दिस प्लानिंग हैज टू बी दैट, बिकॉज आई वांट टू डू ऑप्टिक फाइबर. वंस हम कर दिए ऑप्टिक फाइबर, इट इज सो मेनी क्रोर्स आई इन्वेस्ट. मान लीजिए कल नगर निगम वाले वहां खोद दिए तो माय ऑप्टिक फाइबर सिस्टम कनेक्टिविटी बंद, बिकॉज वन स्मॉल क्रैक ऑल्सो इट विल disturb your system. So this underground cable ka planning is very important part in any city planning. Ye thoda sa you have to keep it in mind. Because it is on ICT, I will talk about IT. How IT tools we have used in KESCO. We have tried to remodel the routine business processes into re-engineer karke we have tried to make how IT helps. First of all, making it governance ho gaya, jaise I had already said, everything has to go into the mobile phone. Now, all of them want apps. There is a negative side to that also, that I will come later on. So mobile applications you have to come. Then financial inclusion planning. This is very important. Every consumer has to, because by the end of the month, the consumer comes with cash and comes to the counter and pays. No matter आप net banking कर दिए, सब कुछ कर दिए, CBMs install कर दिया. Many banks have come and they have opened their centers for bill collection. Still, the consumer will come to the collection center and he will pay the bill. So financial inclusion plan, swipe machines भी दे दिया, but still they will do this. Financial inclusion planning is very important. Skill development, both the sides, your officers, because the main resistance will come with your own officers to adopt technology. So you must have skill development, officers and also the public. Dono taraf you have to train them. Then increase use of social media. Social media is here to stay. Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, tomorrow something else, Instagram, so many things have come. You must start using in a smart city. Everybody uses it. And one more thing, social media का negative aspect है, people use, मतलब अभी तक जो आदमी सामने बात नहीं करता है, वो भी social media use करता है. इनका language, many times it is so violent. So you must have separate media teams to manage what is being, because it is published, everybody reads your posts. अभी कई लोगों का posts आप देखें, it is very funny. The comments that come, so you must have a team in place to handle social media. ये गलती करते हैं, my city करके start कर देते हैं, but there is no proper setup to handle. What are the complaints that are coming? What is the जवाब उसको क्या देना है? ये important part है. There are many companies doing this service. You can take the service of them. Then enabling data security. This is very important because huge data you are collecting, huge things you are planning. You need to have data security. जैसे billing data है हमारे company में, billing data is private to a citizen. दूसरा को इनके bill से मतलब नहीं है. तो they should be secure. So you can use RSA tokens, EM Square, I think that company has come. We are using RSA tokens. You can use digital signatures. All this planning has to be there when you are using IT tools. Then monitoring and control. Software बनाते हैं, single window system, everything you make software, but the process is not covered in your software. So that is one lacuna in every software design. Application और consumer से grievance लेते हैं, the process how it gets dispersed, that is not thought of. The reports part is thought of. So between there is a lacking, so that you have to plan fully. And finally, big data analytics. This is the most important problem you will be facing, because itna data you are collecting, so much of data, you are clouded with data, and nobody in your company or in your Nagar Nigam or जो भी है, they don't know how to read the data. Even for example, DT meter, feeder meter हमने कर दिया. The engineer, जेई तक उसको नहीं आता है कैसे पढ़ना है डेटा, उसमें क्या है, क्या इन्फर करना है, इसको कैसे यूज करना है. That is a big problem when you collect lot of data. So you have to think of this also. Again, there are many companies giving services for this. You can collaborate with any of them. Now I'll go to KESCO. Fast I will tell how KESCO we have re-engineered our processes. पुराना process क्या था, now क्या कर दिए. I will take you through it. So how we have made the services more citizen-centric. And here I would like to mention, last year KESCO had done wonderfully well in revenue collection. We have collected more than 20% above, and it is the #1 DISCOM in UP. And at the same time, our ATC losses have come down by 20%. Nearly, matlab 18. It is at present it is 18%. It has come down drastically. We are reducing also because of our collection efficiency went up due to these measures, which I will be elaborating. First is the billing and payment. This is the heart of any DISCOM. Profit nahi hai, company nahi chal sakti hai. Financials. This is the first thing. बिल पेमेंट, द रूटीन वाला प्रोसीजर है. घर में जाते हैं, मीटर रीड करते हैं, उनको बिल देते हैं, फिर वो क्यू में लगा के वो पे करता है. ट्रेडिशनल बिलिंग साइकिल बहुत हैरेसमेंट होता है क्योंकि बिलिंग एजेंट जाता नहीं है, करता नहीं है. नाउ वी हैव चेंज्ड. ये दिस इज द पॉइंटर. अच्छा, दिस इज द पॉइंटर, राइट. अच्छा, इफ यू सी इसमें, हाँ, if you see the billing agent goes, it is real time, he is updating the consumer number, then he will मीटर को फोटो लेता है, तो फोटो से ही उसका मीटर रीडिंग चला जाएगा, फिर it goes online to our cloud, वहाँ से कम्युनिकेट हो जाता है, बिल आ जाता है, वहीं स्वाइप मशीन चाहे यूज करके, जैसे भी हो, that leads to happy consumers, and we have come to profit in our DISCOM with this measure. Again there is some problem. This is our new billing software. GPS enabled real time OCR billing. OCR is the photographic wala. So that is how you can see the bill. वहाँ पे जो मीटर रीडिंग का we have photo. अच्छा, इसमें एक और एडवांटेज ये था कि काफी खराब मीटर्स हम लोग बदल सकते थे, and खराब मीटर बदले and we brought it to the doorbell level also. More than 80,000 meters we were able to change. And this is one thing for which we were given the award also, trust based billing. मतलब 20 तक if the consumer does not get the bill, अपना बिल खुद बना सकता है अपने कंप्यूटर से. This is the process. 20th तक कोई आया नहीं, make your own bill, you pay online. Quite a simple system, but this provided relief to lot of people and it created accountability on the billing agent. क्योंकि GPS बेस्ड है, he has to go. एक बार GPS लॉक हो गया, he cannot sit in the house and do any bills. तो इसका एडवांटेज ये भी हुआ, हमारा एसेट मैपिंग आधा कंप्लीट, जो बिगेस्ट है हमारा कंज्यूमर्स आर ऑल मैप्ड ऑनलाइन. वी हैव कोऑर्डिनेट्स फॉर एवरी सिंगल कंज्यूमर इन केस्को. So this, seeing that model, UPRC, जो Energy Regulatory Commission has made it an order, trust-based billing on 27/5. It made an order that all the DISCOMs will do this. Probably it may be adopted throughout India also. It has started in KESCO. Then other modes of payment, जैसे I had said, debit, credit card, payment mechanism दे रहे हैं, but again 1 or 2% people जो bulk consumers है, जो बड़े बड़े consumers है, वही pay करते हैं, जो लाखों में pay करते हैं. छोटे consumers have not done this. CBM machine we are working with इनका Axis Bank is but still again one problem is there उसमें, because cash deposit machine we cannot take anybody's payment in advance. Cash deposit machine will take in multiples of 50, so either it is less amount or it is more. If we take more amount we have to pay interest, if it is less amount he has to pay arrears का charges. So that problem is there, so we are trying to sort it out. These problems you will also get, जो भी आपका field हो. Swipe machines of course integrated हो गया. अच्छा, in IT planning 3 things you have to plan, because this is another important aspect of any ICT planning. You must have the tools, you must have the servers, and you must plan for connectivity. Tools मतलब you should have, if you are giving to Android app जो भी देना है आपको, mobile phones, tablets, desktop, tablet, your own staff पहले he should have access to all these things. आप software बना दिए use करो तो कहाँ से use करेगा? If you don't give them the tools they will not be able to use. So you have to equip your offices and your officers also. Second, servers, because you are taking huge data. Servers, cloud servers, और so many servers, and private cloud भी हैं, आप co-hosting भी कर सकते हैं, जैसे भी हो. Plan for huge servers because of the data collection enormity. Third is connectivity. चाहे आप cloud रख लीजिए, software बना दीजिएगा. There are even in city like Mumbai, Lucknow, any city for that matter, there are pockets where internet क्या, telephones have not reached. There are many pockets जहाँ पे आपको connectivity नहीं मिलेगा. ये सब चीजें you have to plan. You can go for optic fiber, MPLS line, जो भी है, because आप service provide कर रहे हैं, वो access कर पाएगा तभी आपको होगा. Connectivity is one important aspect of your ICT planning. Then IT supporters, ये सब हम लोगों ने दे दिया है, सभी desktops दे दिए, latest, because latest server will not work with 2007 computer, so you have to give new computer, tablet, सब चीज हम लोगों ने दे दिया. So no officer can say, with the data plan we have given, so no officer can say हमारे पास कोई सामान नहीं है, feed नहीं करेंगे. This slide is our DC rack, SIFI के साथ हम लोग कर रहे हैं. This is their rack, and Oracle is also a part with us. तो वो हमारा rack है. तो DRDC site वो है. Data security, as I had said, we are using MPLS line for now. We are going for optic fiber with BSNL. Of course, we are going to rope in them with for that. We have already discussed with them. And webcams, वगैरह, all these things we have done. What I had already said. Our office is Wi-Fi enabled. Cameras दे दिया, जैसे Comsure point किया, that is a very relevant point. कैमरा लगा दिया तो देखना पड़ेगा। हम लोग 2-3 केसेस पकड़े, जिस दिन लगे उसी दिन कोई कैशियर वाज टेकिंग कैश एंड स्विंडलिंग मनी, तो वो पता चला इस तरह का। व्हेन यू वॉच द कैमरास यू ऑफ कोर्स गेट रिजल्ट्स। वेब कैमरा हम लोगों ने कर दिया है। सो कंप्लेंट ऑफ कंज्यूमर्स वेयर कोई है नहीं, वहाँ बिलिंग सेंटर खुला नहीं है, वो सब कंप्लेंट्स हैव कम डाउन। न्यू सॉफ्टवेयर हम लोगों ने बनाया है, एम दृष्टि रेड सॉफ्टवेयर है। दिस इज फॉर रेड टेम्पररी डिस्कनेक्शन जो होता है, मीटर रिप्लेसमेंट, पीडी करना है, सब ऑनलाइन कर दिया है। तो आई विल नॉट गो इन टू मच डिटेल, आई हैव डिटेल प्रेजेंटेशन, समबडी वांट्स टू सी यू कैन सी। जस्ट दिस इज द प्रोसेस। चोरी दो तरह का है, एक तो कटिया लगा के हो सकता है, मतलब सीधा, और दूसरा डायरेक्ट। तो इसमें क्या है, चेकिंग इंस्पेक्टर जाता है बट ही विल फीड एवरीथिंग ऑनलाइन, वहीं हमारे सर्वर से अपडेट होता है, प्रिंटर है वहीं प्रिंट आउट होता है नोटिस, वहीं हाथ में दे दिया, फिर विल कम टू दी असेसमेंट एंड ऑल दैट। इसका एडवांटेज ये हो, मिडिल मैन वेर रिमूव्ड, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पीपल व्हाट दे डू, नोटिस भी नहीं देते हैं। हमारे अधिकारी कर्मचारी जो रेड में जाते हैं, आप लोगों ने भी फेस किया होगा घर में, वो कहते हैं ऑफिस आ जाओ, देयर इज अ सेपरेट बाबू सिटिंग इन द बैक साइड ऑफ द ऑफिस। ये बहुत ट्रांजैक्शन चलता है, दिस वी हैव ब्रॉट इट ऑनलाइन। दिस इज व्हाट आई सेड, यू हैव टू ब्रिंग द प्रोसेस ऑल्सो ऑनलाइन, बिकॉज आप तो रेड का डेटा कलेक्ट कर दिए, उसके बाद असेसमेंट है, फिर उसको पहुंचाना है, फिर उसके बाद कलेक्ट करना है, द एंटायर प्रोसेस इज ऑनलाइन। तो हैरेसमेंट हैज कम डाउन। दिस हैज अगेन लेड टू इंक्रीज इन रेवेन्यू फॉर अस, मतलब आवर डिस्कॉम इज अ प्रूफ दैट ऑल दीज थिंग्स हैव वर्कड। वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन इट एंड आई एम शोइंग इट टू यू, दिस आर ऑल नॉट न्यू। दिस इज हाउ द टैबलेट में फीड करता है ऑफिसर्स हमारे। अनदर थिंग इज वर्क्स मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर, जिसमें हमारा सिविल एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क दोनों जो भी काम चलता है, इट इज फेड एनी टाइम, तो मॉनिटरिंग हो जाता है ऑनलाइन में। At any point of time, any work is possible, because जब भी ऑफिसर्स यहाँ, it's very difficult to get reports from your junior people, क्या चल रहा है वहाँ, you have no eyes, no ears, आपको पता ही नहीं है कि क्या काम चल रहा है। तो अब it has become monitoring, तो उसमें वीडियो, फोटो और लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग कर सकते हैं, because we have given them tablets, वही फीड करके they give it to us. लाइव जीपीएस, बिकॉज एस्टिमेट्स 2-3 टाइम्स भी बनाते हैं एक जगह का, वो नहीं हो पाएगा बिकॉज इट इज जीपीएस मैप। Duplicity has reduced and it has saved a lot of time for us also, money also it has given. And these are some of the screenshots that M Drishti wala meter change karte hain, permanent, all these are live, these are screenshots of live data feeding only. तो वो हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। वर्क्स मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर इज लाइक दिस, प्रज्ञावेयर इज डूइंग विद अस। तो रिपोर्ट हमारा ऐसे जनरेट होता है। तो ये सब उसका डिफरेंट हाउ स्क्रीनशॉट्स, आई एम नॉट गोइंग इनटू डिटेल। तत्काल एनएससी सिस्टम, आई डोंट नो व्हाई वन बाय वन इज कमिंग। अच्छा, ये एनएससी सिस्टम है, अबव फॉर नाउ अबव 5 किलोवाट वी हैव मेड इट ऑनलाइन, धीरे धीरे विल ब्रिंग अप टू 2, एंड दिस इज मॉडल बेस्ड ऑन रेलवेज। इसका रेलवे मॉडल पे, जैसे तत्काल में यू गिव सम एक्स्ट्रा मनी एंड यू गेट ए वेरी गुड सर्विस, वी वांट टू डू दैट, वील बी टेकिंग इट, बिकॉज फॉर दैट परमिशन ऑफ ERC इज रिक्वायर्ड, तो वील बी टेकिंग इट शॉर्टली टू द ERC after 1 month trial इसमें। तो this system also is very good, it will work very well, because harassment again it gets released. This is from the website he can apply, हमारे website में ही we have given a provision, and this is another screenshot। तो यही है, these are थोड़ा टेक्निकल है, रजिस्ट्रेशन करता है, फिर डिटेल रजिस्ट्रेशन फोटो के साथ एक्नॉलेजमेंट देता है, फिर ऑफिसर के पास आता है। ऑफिसर हैज 3 choices बेसिकली, ही कैन रिलीज द कनेक्शन इमीडिएटली आफ्टर चेकिंग द साइट, अदरवाइज समटाइम्स एस्टिमेट्स में भी इन्वॉल्व। आपके यहाँ कोई ट्रांसफार्मर लगाना है, ऑनलाइन ही प्रिपेयर्स या ऑनलाइन बना के फीड करता है, फिर लोड अप्रूव होता है, पेमेंट इंस्ट्रक्शन गोस अगेन टू द कंज्यूमर, ही विल गेट द एक्नॉलेजमेंट, then again he work order, once he pays then you will get the work order details, inventory module से attached है तो वहाँ store से सामान issue होगा, and finally the service gets released once your system is in place. So दो तरीका, either directly you release या after doing all the work and all you release. The entire process we have covered in this. Monitoring वाला report, this is how I see pending works, the different colors and all this. Inventory module का है, I'm not going to detail because most of the companies have this inventory module, e-tendering and all. DT and feeder meter monitoring, this we are in the process, more than 3,000 meters we have put. Now the problem is we are trying to bring it into a mobile app so that I can also monitor, officers can also monitor. We are working with secure meters on this. Grievance redressal, this is another important, चाहे कोई भी सरकारी ऑफिस हो, this is our new call center. We have a website में they can give. We have a Twitter account 24/7. We have a Twitter account, WhatsApp account and a Twitter account. तो what Twitter में immediately, even now if you see live updates आपको मिल जाएगा. कहीं कोई breakdowns है, you just have to follow us. You'll get live updates on Twitter. Work also, कुछ होता है या कोई काम चल रहा है, सब Twitter. Then 24. This is our internal group for the officers. Public भी इसमें कर सकते हैं. We have a separate number for them also. That's our Facebook account. Urja Mitra, this is another service that is going on, wherein if there is a breakdown, तो immediately an SMS goes to the consumer. Feeder separation कर दिया. हर feeder पे कितने consumers है, we have already mapped, so they get an SMS breakdown. आपका 2 घंटे रहेगा, तो they will also know. Instead of them calling us and asking, SMS shoots up to them. So this is an outage management system we have done in IT. Map my substation, because many times substation में call करते हैं, they don't know which substation is theirs, which कहाँ call करना, where is my collection center. We have mapped all GPS में. ये भी website से देख सकते हैं. This is our another thing we have done, mapped everything. उसमें numbers भी मिल जाएगा पूरा सभी officer. It's not clear here. Officer कौन है, एक्सीएन से SC कौन कौन है, सभी का मोबाइल नंबर के साथ. This is to create more transparency. Then this is a new system we are trying, DSM management जो हमने कहा, where we want the consumer to participate in. एक SMS shoot up होता है, your feeder is overloaded, तो kindly switch off all the unnecessary appliances. So we are trying to involve the public with us. This is just started 1 week back. ट्रायल में है, सो आई विल मे बी नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन में आई कैन गिव द फीडबैक एंड हाउ वी आर इम्प्रूविंग इट. तो ये हम लोग स्टार्ट किए हैं. मोबाइल ऐप्स, अब ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया कि ये तो एम्पावर का है, बिलिंग का ऐप है. देन दिस इज अवेलेबल इन द प्ले स्टोर ऑल्सो, दैट इज द प्रज्ञावेयर मोबाइल ऐप. Then this is the Q Power for grievance read. Now we have multiple mobile apps. This problem will come to you also, all you people. Multiple apps हो जाएंगे, इतना apps, because no agency wants to work with the other agency. Now I am trying to integrate all and make one energy app. एक energy app करेंगे जिसमें Empower, Q Power सब आ जाएगा. Maybe that also for the next presentation. So renewable energy में what all we have done, so that also from 0 to around 2 megawatt we have increased in KESCO. The net metering हमारा in place है, so many people are coming up with more this one. Our own office, KESCO's office and our collection centers, we have made it solar, so as to promote solar. So everybody is saying this is first DISCOM in UP to do so. We have done it. LED distribution with EESL we are doing. Fans शुरू हो गए हैं. Bulbs more than 15 lakhs we have already distributed, and we are shortly starting with the ACs also. जैसे जैसे उनका हो रहा है. Agricultural pumps हमारे यहाँ scope नहीं है, so we have not started because it's an urban area. And ये हमारा जो गाड़ियाँ हैं, we have changed it to CNG vehicle. जो पहले जो था महिंद्रा जीप वगैरह सब change कर दिया है. इसमें एक interesting aspect है, we have put it on GPS and locked the location. So ये बिल बनाने के लिए जो एक सुबह भी कोई पॉइंट आउट करते रहे थे कि रियल एस्टेट पर्सन somebody was pointing बिल पेमेंट्स में, तो 1 तारीख होता है जीपीएस से वो अपना बिल निकाल लेगा, बिकॉज उतना रीडिंग उसमें आ जाता है. तो तुरंत वी हैव आस्क्ड हिम टू गिव दैट सॉफ्टवेयर हिमसेल्फ. ही हिमसेल्फ अलोंग विद द गाड़ी ही गेव द सॉफ्टवेयर. सो फर्स्ट ही नीड नॉट मीट एनी जेई. वहां जा करके अपना कंप्यूटर सेंट्रल एससी के यहाँ कंप्यूटर है, उसमें से बिल निकलता है, तुरंत पेमेंट के लिए चला जाता है. दिस इज अनदर थिंग, बिकॉज पीपल हु आर वर्किंग विथ यू दे नीड टू बी पेड, इंक्लूडिंग योर कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स, बिकॉज जब तक लिक्विडिटी इज नॉट विद द एजेंसीज विच आर वर्किंग विथ यू, वर्क विल नॉट प्रोग्रेस. This is another drawback in RAP, DRP वगैरह. That is also one reason where payments are not made in time. तो future works में turn up based we are doing. All this is in trial stage. This is all for next presentation. Because now bill तो दे ही रहे हैं, 100% हमारा billing हो रहा है. Now we are trying to increase the turn up, which is around 77%. We want to make it to 95%. This I am sure after this it will be a solution. Then asset mapping, हमारा DT meter, feeder meter से DT transformer and feeder mapped, consumers are mapped. One thing that is remaining is pole mapping, which we will be shortly doing with our JEs itself, because JE only can do the authentic GPS coordinates. वो लेकर के हमारा digital asset mapping, which everybody shouts will be complete in KESCO. Data cleaning analytics mein we are doing, we are integrating all the software. Renewable energy, of course, we are doing. I have already shared with you. New DSM wala. All these are in the process. An integrated manpower system, because the same manpower, आप देखेंगे कोई भी बिजली कंपनी में, they'll say we have 100 gangs, but actuality में there'll be 15-20 gangs which work round the clock. तो फर्जी वगैरह ये सब खत्म हो जाएगा. This is also started. So for the next presentation probably. Then this is another important thing that I want to share with you. What are the problems with ICT tools? Main thing is so many software, so many tools. You will have flooding. Kai company आएंगे. Oracle had come with ERP solution. Phoenix had come. Lot of people are coming because IT में हम लोग interest ले रहे हैं. तो lot of companies come with different solutions. So you get an overdose of softwares. तो वो थोड़ा सा you have to be watchful. What is relevant to your city and your work? Only that you do, and you design what you need. Don't go by what they have. They have solutions for everything, and they are experts. They will make solution according to you, so that you have to take care. A number of apps are coming, applications, you see all that, because many times some other DISCOM has already done. For example, I have already done, why don't you take it from me? Why do you have to design the same thing again? So that sharing platform, I would request if somebody can do a sharing platform for even smart cities, it will be a good sharing process. कि जो tools बन गए हैं उसको सब लोग use कर सकते हैं. Data collection again in excess we are doing. Inability of officers to read and understand data, this is a major problem you will be facing. Investments, everything needs investment. For example, even 1,200 crore, just sir ने सुबह दिखाया 2,800 crores something sir says, but definitely it will be at least 2-3 times more if you have to make the entire Kalyan area smart. होगा नहीं. You need huge investments, partly centrally funded, partly state funded, and the other thing citizens have to bear. How you will do? You pay your taxes in time, pay your bijli bill in time, then you will get all the services. That citizens have to understand. And the last and the most important question will be, that will be the last, I will finish it with that. Whether the people are willing to accept new technology, because there are slum areas, there are so many areas where people do not use IT much. उनको कैसे आपके लेट में लाएंगे? Minuscule, at least 10% of your city only will be using all these tools. आप देखेंगे call center बना दिया, Twitter रख दिया, everything only the same set of 10% consumers follow. Remaining are out. They always will come in the office and meet you. तो वैसे ही है ये भी. The tools आप बनाएंगे, how you will get the other people into your smart city planning. So that is another important thing. Thank you all so much. It has been a lengthy presentation, but thank you for kindly listening. I am seeing nobody slept also. And the Elites team, and thank you so much. You are so enthusiastic. I am really happy to be again here. Ravindran sir, I thank you for this opportunity. Thank you so much. If possible, if anybody wants any business opportunity, kindly come to KESCO. We have lot of proposals online. Thank you so much.